Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Toyota Yaris Cross. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and not touching each other. Locate the battery in your Yaris Cross, usually under the hood, and identify the positive and negative terminals. Safety first is key for this process. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive cable and attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Yaris Cross battery. Then, connect the other end of that red cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Yaris Cross, away from the battery. This creates a good ground. Now, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After that, try to start your Toyota Yaris Cross. Once your Yaris Cross starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them. First, remove the black negative cable from the Yaris Cross, then from the good car. Next, remove the red positive cable from the good car, then from your Yaris Cross. Let your car run for at least 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.